Hello everyone. We're looking a little rough this morning. Skin's not behaving the best. I don't know if it was because I was traveling, because not only is my skin freaking out, my entire immune system is freaking out. I've had a cold for the past 2 weeks and I think I'm finally starting to get over it, but it's just not fun. But I've been trying to get back on my skincare regimen. I'm just the laziest person when it comes to skincare. Speaking of, that's what I'm applying right now. I have a specific prescription topical cream. So my dad's physical therapist is here. A prescription strength retin-A cream along with my antibiotic. So yeah, I'm just trying to keep up with everything. Is it working out the best? Not really. Today we have our third installment of my rainbow series. Wait, orange, yellow. Yeah, third. Our yellow look. As you guys probably saw in the thumbnail and the title, I'm just going to treat this as a little music over video. Talk through my skincare just to make everything go a little bit faster. I'm gonna throw on the Gold Digger podcast. Haven't been into music lately, so I'm gonna throw on that podcast, listen to it. The one I'm listening to just barely came out today, I believe. It's called The CEO Mindset Hacks She Used to Build an Empire. We're trying to get back into the groove of everything. School and life is crazy, but, or is it my dad's nurse? I'm gonna dry my skincare, make sure it's all sunk into my skin, and then we're gonna go on to this video. Anyways, that was my third installment in my rainbow series, my yellow look. This is about the third time that I'm wearing this, and I'm obsessed because first time I actually did this look, I tested it out because I was going to a baseball game and my local baseball team's colors are yellow and black. Yeah, and then the second time I did it just for fun, and now here we are. And each time it comes out a little bit different. So yeah, I mostly just stick to a yellow shadow all over the lid, then use some form of that yellow shadow to blow it out. And every time, love how it comes out. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below, or at me on my social media, which is all under Sassy Maddie, YT, same as spelled here, about Twitter, Instagram. Also go follow my brand's Instagram, which is, it's called Sassy Beauty, but I actually just barely changed my Instagram handle to Shop Sassy Beauty. Links will be in the description box. Also go check out my blog and my magazine on there. Literally anything you want to know about me or what I am creating, it's most likely on my blog, sassybeautyblog.weebly.com. Links down below. And with all that being said, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.